Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover HSE finished in grey. This 2024 model comes with a 3-litre diesel engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The front pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 22-inch alloy wheels with the diamond turned and gloss black contrast finish. There is around 800 litres of usable boot space capacity in this Range Rover, which is ideal for shopping or larger suitcases. The parcel shelf itself can be removed, and you can also adjust the air suspension to help lift heavier items into the vehicle. There are also 2 automatic boot close buttons located, one at the top and one at the bottom. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the semi-aniline leather seats in ebony to match the ebony interior. Both seats do contain ISOFIX points, and there is a fold-down armrest which will reveal a storage tray as well as 2 cup holders that come out the end. As well as this, there is a rear climate control system for the backseat passengers to utilise, including 2 USB-C charging ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of that ebony interior matched on the dash and door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort on those longer journeys, and they are electronically operated with lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the 2-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped Range Rover steering wheel, which does have controls on the left for the virtual cockpit as well as the hands-free options. And on the right we have the cruise control and heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layouts to best suit driver preference, and this does include satellite navigation. And speaking of, the main touchscreen infotainment system also has satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access the radio with FM and DAB and use Bluetooth to connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. And by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left, it can bring up the rear parking camera as well as the 3D and satellite imagery, which is perfect for parking this larger vehicle. Below the infotainment screen there is a storage tray which has a slidable cover with a USB-C charging port in it. And behind the centre console there is another slidable cover which features 2 cup holders, which can also be slidden back to reveal another storage pocket with 2 USB ports as well. Finally, the leather wrapped armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this used Land Rover Range Rover HSE. For more information, please do get in touch with our sales team now.